How to order and buy at Alibaba. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can order at Alibaba and buy them, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to order or buy products from Alibaba, then all you have to do is simply go ahead and then open the Alibaba application here. Then once you launch the Alibaba app, you're basically going to see this type of interface as here you can see. Then you just want to select the products that you want to buy. Now on Alibaba it is a little bit different. Unlike Amazon where you add the products to your cart and then you check out, on Alibaba that's not how it works. On Alibaba you have to send an inquiry to the seller after you select a specific product. So here you have to select this option called send order request or send inquiry. You cannot directly already order them. There is one step you have to do, and that is to contact the seller. Once you send the order request to the seller, let me show you. It will just come to your messages tab and then it will send a link to the seller, and then they're going to reply to you how much pieces do you need and so on. As you can see, many sellers are also here in this case. So this way you can order from Alibaba and then you can get things forward from there on. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.